everyone, and welcome to my channel, Innovating People. Well, today we are going to learn some important tips about quick analysis in Excel. Well, as of now, what we used to do, we used to simply apply a certain formulas to derive at certain results. Let's say to get percentage, we used to apply a formula. But before we go deep into this and understand the shortcut for quick analysis, let me request you to please hit the subscribe button if at all you have not yet subscribed to this channel. Like the video, share the video so that maximum people can gain knowledge not only through me but also through you. And that's great. And let's move ahead. So what do I mean by quick analysis in Excel? So herein we can see that we have name and then we have marks of a particular subject. So what to do to calculate a percentage? Traditionally, what we used to do, let's say traditionally what we used to do was we used to select all these things and then we used to go to auto sum to get the sum for it, and here it is. And then to get the percentage, we used to apply the formula equal to select this 85 divided by this one, and then we used to get a percentage like this. So this is how what we used to do, and then multiplied by 100 to get a percentage. But and then if you want, then you can just copy paste the formula, but this is not actually the correct method. This is not actually the correct method. Let me just delete this, and let me also just delete the total mentioned over here for the above thing. Okay, now how to calculate the percentage then? So here is the trick. Just select all these. So once I have selected all the marks, just below it, herein, if you can see, there is small corner type of icon present over here. So this is the quick analysis icon. There is also a shortcut to go to it, and that is Control plus Q. But if at all you don't want to go through this, just click on right click and go to quick analysis. So once you go here, herein you will be getting different kinds of options like formatting, charts, totals, tables, spark lines. So let us go to tape totals. Just click on this right arrow, and herein you will find percentage total. Just click on that. Boom, here's the percentage out of the total. So this is what the best way to calculate a percentage out of total. Isn't it great? That's simply super. Let's move ahead and let's understand what else we can do this. So let's again go back to the quick analysis tool. Go to the totals, click on sum, and here is the sum, 1210. What else we can do? Let's right click, quick analysis, totals. Do you want to have the average? Click on average. Okay. And there's the average, 80.66. Isn't it great? Okay, that's simply cool. Let's try to understand what all benefits we can get through this. Click on right click, go to quick analysis, go to totals. You want to see how many numbers are these? I mean the count of these numbers, just click on count. So these are in together 15. That's what it shows. That's the shortcut. Okay, let's move ahead. Again, go to the quick analysis tool. Go to the totals. And this we have already done. Let's move ahead. So I will show you one more thing. That's again really good thing. Now let's say we have different subjects. Okay, let me copy it here. Okay, and this will become subject 2, subject 5. Make sense? And then we have, let's say, different marks for this. So what, as for an example, I will copy the same marks. For an example, I will copy the same marks. Okay, we can change this. Definitely the marks will be different. And now what I need is that I need totals of all these things over here. So what to do? Just select this entire table, all the marks, right click, go to quick analysis, go to totals. Okay, click on sum. Here is the sum. Isn't it nice? That's a perfect trick. What else we can do? What else we can do? So let me just select this. Go to right click, quick analysis. Go to greater than. So let's say anything greater than 85 should be green field. Will that make sense? Okay, green field. Click on OK. And here it is. All those numbers which are 85, greater than 85 have been green filled. It has been given the color green. Okay. So let's move ahead. Let me just do Control Z again. I'll select all these. Go to format, go to quick analysis. Okay. Under formatting, I need the top 10 out of this series. I need the top 10. What is the top 10? Here it is. So if you see, these are only 15 in numbers. So 15, the 10% means 1.5, that's almost 1. So it is selected the top one, that is the 96. Okay. Let me again go, select it. Go to quick analysis tool. And I can right now clear the format. All things have been cleared. So if I want, I can also have the charts over here. So I can go to the charts. What type of chart I will need? Let's say I need something, a cluster chart. This can be done. Line chart can also be there. Scatter diagram can be there. So any type of charts, you can mention. You can also get more charts. Whatever type of chart you need, you can get it over here. So just select that and let us take cluster charts. So here it is. So this is the type of chart which we have got out of this. So we can apply to filters and can select different things, whatever we want. And accordingly, here is the selection of the data. Whatever you want to do, you can apply a chart also and can get a different chart for all these series. So this is relating to formatting. You can get the charts, you can get the tables. And if you don't have a table, then you can also get a table through this. Just see, isn't it great? This is spark lines. Again, want to show something different, you can also do this. So this is what is all about quick analysis tool. Make use of this tool. This is the best tool, I suppose. Instead of applying formulas manually, you can apply this tool, can get different things done, and you can really get the best out of it. Hope you have liked this video. If you have liked it, just click on the like button, share this video with your friends, and do hit the subscribe button if at all not yet subscribed this channel. Thank you very much.